Good evening, everyone. So, this is the day 6 related to your number system. We will discuss a problem. A different natural numbers is placed in each corner of a square. Each corner of a square. Two numbers joined by an edge must have a difference of more than 1. When the four numbers are added together, what is the smallest possible value? What is the smallest possible value? A different natural number is placed in each corner of a square. Okay, each corner of a square. Okay, fine. The two numbers are joined by the edge must have a difference of more than 1. When the four numbers are added together, what is the smallest possible value? Smallest possible total. Shall I give 1 or 2 minutes? Will you guys try? Don't do any search. Don't do any search. If you are doing search means you will be getting a no. 10. Sir, I'll give you time. Take your time and work on. Yes, that option also there. That is why no. The question looks very simple, but the option plays a crucial role. Don't search. Apply your skill. Check yourself whether you are able to do a problem of this kind. A natural number is placed in each corner. When the four numbers are added together, if you are imagine no 1 2 3 4, you guys are mentioning this as a no 10. But what was the condition? What was the condition? The condition that the two numbers joined by the edge must have a difference of more than 1. So minimum 2 will be there. Okay, difference between that. When four numbers are added, what the smallest possible. So suppose if you guys are taking 1 2 3 4, where will you place this? Where will you place this? So let us take this one, left, then right. T means top, T means top, left B bottom, right bottom. Now you guys answer in your comment. 1 2 3, where will you place your 1 2 3? 1 2 3 4. Yes, 1 2 3 4, where will you place? Whoever answered as a 10, tell me. Others also try. This is how the UPSC nowadays testing. Even in 2025, you can able to see a lot of questions just you are applying your skills. Yes, possible answers also there in the option. 10 you guys are mentioning, so therefore 10. So now one in the left top. Okay, Paramanand saying one in the left top. Then left bottom 3. Fine. Right top 4. Then right bottom 2. Check the difference between these two. 1 only. It must be more than 1. Paramanand, is it wrong? Yes, your answer is wrong. Understood, Paramanand, now why it's not right. Madhumita, you are doing wrong. Madhumita, yes, see your Madhumita wrong. Okay, so Madhumita wrong. Okay, let me erase this one. So therefore 1432 will not be possible. No, 1432 not possible. If you place no, okay, fine. So shall I erase this one? So therefore this is not possible. See, one question itself I am spending this much of time, learn completely. So this is not possible. Next, let me keep these diagrams also, so then only you can able to understand. Now try to understand. Can we do this here? 1 2 3. If you are keeping 5, okay, for this it is wrong. Then now you check this one, 1 2 3 5, whether it is possible. Raksha saying this one, isn't it? Raksha, are you saying this one? 1 4, sorry, 1 5. Which one you are mentioning? Wait, let us discuss with Raksha and then I will give you time for others also.
Sir, one in left top,
One and
one in left top and four in right top,
okay,
and three in left bottom, five in right bottom.
see the difference here. One only.
Okay. Okay.
So therefore you are mentioning 1 4, not this one, nah. Are you mentioning about a 1 3 4 5? 1 3 4 5 also not correct. Okay. Least one. Please understand, least one. So that also you need to keep it in your mind. Least. So why don't you try with this one? 1 2 3 5. Guys, try this one. 1 2 3 5 possible? Sir, least one. Please understand, least one. This is also not possible. Okay, good. Parmanand says not possible. Okay, now. So 1 2 4 5. Check whether 1 2 4 5 possible. 1 2 4 5 possible. Where will you keep? Can you keep?
Sir, left top one.
Can you keep any? No problem. Can you keep like
Yes, sir,
this?
left top one,
Hmm.
right top four,
Hmm.
left bottom five, right
Hmm.
bottom two, sir.
Then what is the sum of this one?
Sir, it becomes 12.
12. Fine. Listen carefully. 10 is not right. Eliminate. Elimination technique apply. 11, 11 surely will not be. So now 12 present your 13, 14. So now you have to check. Sum gives you 12. Guys, understanding. Sum gives you 10 whether it is satisfies or not. Like that you need to work on. Go with the option technique. How to solve. How to eliminate. 10, no? What are the possibles with the 10? With the very least, 1 2 3 4. Yes, 10. Anything is possible here. Least. So no, not possible. So then automatically you move on with the 11. If it is possible, you can go with 11. If it is not possible, leave it. Then 12 case you have to work on. C option you have to check here. So what I'm going to do here is 1 2 4 5 also 12. Right? Anything else also gives 12, no problem. You can use that one also. Okay. So these things are very important when you are solving a problem. So understand this completely and work on this kind of problems. Okay. So 1 2 4 5 is the right one. Understood everyone? Svalashmi, Rakshana, Nalamai, Rajakannan. Parmanand understood apa? Nasriya understood. Madhumita understood. Mogan understood. Okay pa. Sridhar understood. Okay. Next one. So see the question. Compare with the 2025 question paper. Yes. This kind of skills, the basic question, and they are checking with your skills, and possibles are there with wrong answers. Very good. Fine. This is also a good question, simple question. It important. I am very sure it's a time consuming one also. We have to work on this here. 3 natural numbers add to 21. 3 natural numbers add to 21. When the same 3 numbers are multiplied together, they equal to 280. What is this kind of words only nowadays the UPSC playing a game. Smallest possible, largest. So you have to work on that. What is the smallest of these 3 numbers? What is the smallest of 3 numbers? Understood. 3 natural numbers add as to 21. When these same 3 numbers are multiplied together, they equal to 280. What is the smallest of these 3 numbers? You want time means take your time. Niveta giving 4. Akash also giving 4. So tell me the 3 numbers first of all.
Sir, it is 4, 7, and 10, I think, sir.
4
7 and 10, sir.
when 3 natural numbers added. So you are mentioning this one as okay, fine, 21. So 4 into 7 into 10, 28. Oh, sorry, 280. Okay, fine. Anything else possible? No. Fine. What you guys have done first of all? Mritula saying 1. Okay, so okay, let us see. What you guys are doing first here? You guys are doing a factorization. Okay, fine. You guys are doing factorization here, isn't it? Prime factorization you guys are doing. Okay. So let me tell you, if you are doing the prime factorization, then it becomes 8 into 5, 8 into 5, 40 into 7. Am I right? Prime factorization. So this is the prime factorization. Now, can we take 1 also here? Yes, 1 also you can take here. Now, it's a factors. Now, what do you need to do? Let me explain this for your knowledge purpose. Okay. What you guys can do here is you check with all the factors. 1, 280 is also a factor. But these things are not required. Why don't we require that a 280 or 140 etc. means here it's that 3 numbers adds to the 21. That's it. So therefore avoid the larger numbers. I don't want this here. 2 I need because 140. 2 into 140. 140 I don't want. 3 possible? No. 4 possible? Yes. Here itself we can see here 4 possible. Then 5 is also there. Then 7 is also there. Then 8 is also there. Check here. 8 is also there. The rest of the things you can keep it away. Keep it away. Because listen very carefully. Summation of 3 must be a 21. If you add this 3 largest number itself, largest number among this itself is 23. 15, 20, 20. 20. So then you can take another larger number also. Now try to understand. If you are taking another larger number, no, so what could be 8 into 5s are also okay. 4 into 5s are 20. That is there. We are taking your 4 into 20. Then 7 into 4s are 7 into 4s are also you can take. 28 is also a one of the factor. But we don't want these things. Only we can keep this one because the summation must be 21. The least among this going to be the 20, isn't it? Now, anything else you can take your apart from that after this year? Yes, 10 also you can take. Yes, good. So therefore 28 I don't want. 10 I can take. 5 into 2. Yes. So now in the situation, what is the least?
7 is the best.
15, 25. So therefore this is more than sufficient. This is more than sufficient. Up to this more than sufficient factors. Knowledge purpose only I am elaboratively explaining this. You can do here because see the options plays a very vital role. Okay. That is why I am teaching. One surely will not be there. Eliminate that one. Not at all possible that case here. Okay. If you are taking one, what would happen here? So you have to take a 28 into 10. Right? So here, what is the smallest of these three numbers? But the summation, it is not a 21. So therefore you have to work on like this. Okay. You have to check all the condition. Okay. Understood means I'll move on to next question. Answer is 4. All the possible things you need to work on here. Shall I move on to next? If you guys are okay means anybody having to do 758 also right. 75 is 7. 758 also right. Exactly whatever I'm mentioning that is also correct. So this is a check whether you are getting a. This is not a 21. It's a 20. Okay. The summation also must have to satisfy. Understood, Archana? Okay, good. Fine. Sir, what is your doubt? Please ask me. What is your doubt? Or else mark the slide number 87. Surely I will explain again also after the class. Okay. During the doubt session, I will explain again also. Ashok, please mark the slide number 87. Ankita, what's your doubt here? Fine, or mark the slide number and you can ask after the class. Surely I will explain during the doubt session today itself. Fine, guys, try to understand this question and work on. Sir, you can mark the slide number 87. You can ask after the class. I noticed that my electricity meter currently reads 896754. If I say something, you must have to understand the intent, okay? Intent of the conveying the message rather than taking in the wrong sense. Okay? What is the intent? The conveying the message. I don't know whether that person is attending today or not, attending that first class or not. Those something, no? You must have to be understand what is the purpose and what is the intent of conveying a message rather than simply using our words. You may be any profession or you may be any person. When you are appearing to the class means you need to treat yourself as a student. You should not assume yourself as a extraordinary. So these things and all you should not do. When I am doing my PhD in the university, no, even I never say that I am taking UPSC classes to this much of students, this much of things, etc. In the university, I am a student. I have to behave like a student only when you are doing a PhD. When I am entering in the court hall, appearing for my clients means I need to treat myself as an advocate only. I should not think myself as a judge. I need to maintain a decorum of that. Okay. When the judge says something, I need to So you must have to remember one thing. Whenever you are taking any classes, you are a student only. When a teacher conveys something, either in your class or else whatever, in your messages or whatever, what is the intent behind that? First you need to analyze that one. Okay, generally I am saying this here, I'm not pointing out any person. You must have to realize when you are talking with your teachers. Student means student, that's it. Fine, answer, please give your answers. It's not a message actually. As a civil servant, you need to learn, you need to work on that, because you are going to face a lot of people. Ethics important as a no yes, you are a IAS officer or IPS officer, a lot of people will come. No, all are not same. You are conveying some messages, right? What is the intent behind that? So that is important. Okay, and also you may be any person, you may be IAS, you may be a senior officer, but you are working under some legislators. If the legislator says something, go and sit there means surely you will quiet your mouth, you will shut your mouth and go and sit that place only. You will not respond to that legislator or a MLA or MP or minister. Oh, I am an IAS officer, you are under treating me. So these things and all, you should not. What is the intent behind that? That you need to understand. Yes, it not only the education. Fine. I do not want to convey that message because after the class, no, last class, 11:30, 11:45, we had a discussion here in the night. After my class, no, seeing some message, I don't know that person. Who is that person? The person, no, seriously behaving like something. Okay, fine. Still, I was explaining. Then that person say something that not degrading yourself. That's it. Not maintaining the decorum. Fine. So now let us move on to this one here. So how many more minimum number of unit of the electricity will I need to use? Please understand the question and work on. How many of you answered this question correctly? Let me see here. Sir, no. 1 unit. 1 unit means what will happen here? Listen, understand the question carefully. Understand the question carefully. I notice that my electricity meter currently reads when all the digits are different. So this is the important point you need to understand. How many more or minimum number of unit of the electricity will I need to use before all the digits are again different? Please understand different. No. It is not such a case. Listen carefully. If I am using another one reading, what will happen here? 8, 9, 6, 7, 5, 5. 5 repeats here. Here, whatever the digit present here, that should not get repeated. That should not get repeated. Understood? How many more
1,
units?
2, 3 மட்டும் இன்னும் repeat ஆகலையா sir?
See, anything. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
இல்ல
8,
sir 4,
9.
6, 7, 8, 9லாம் இருக்குல்ல, அப்போ 1, 2, 3 மட்டும் தான் இன்னும் repeat ஆகல, அப்படிதானே?
அப்படி இல்லப்பா, நீங்க எவ்வளவு யூனிட் இப்போ யூஸ் பண்ணணும், எல்லா டிஜிட்டும் வேற வேற இருக்கணும். இப்போ எவ்வளவு யூனிட்ஸ் யூஸ் பண்ணணும், அதுதான் கொஸ்டின். Okay, let me tell you. See, understand minimum. The question also plays a very vital role here. Minimum means you need to check with the least one. If I gave you the option, surely you will answer, but I am not going to give the answers, options. You want option? Let me give you. Okay, so like that, some 4 options will be there. So what is the, so this is not right. Those who said 1, that is not right. Listen, understand. If you are using 2, what will happen? 6 already there. So therefore you should not use that one. So therefore listen very carefully. So now which place you need to move on your, which place you have to move on your, that is important. If you move your 1 means what will happen? Then it becomes a 9. Alright. So like that you have to work on. So let me give you how many more units. Listen carefully. Let me keep 8, 9. Because minimum, please understand minimum. 8, 9 let me keep. Let me move this place here. When I am moving this place, what will happen? 7. What will happen? 7. Right. Now, if I am using 7, if I am using, no, which one can we use here? All are different. So that one also you need to understand here. Go with the options. Option also I provided. Check with that. If any repetition is there, no repetition. So like that you need to check here. Let me give you. Check this one. This is the minimum. Why? 0 you can use here, but where you are going to use a 0, that also plays a vital role here. 8, 9, 7, 0, 1, 2. Why I am using this option here? 2, 5, 8. Because when I am adding this 2, 5, 8 here, what will happen? 1, 0, 7, 9, 8. All are different. Okay, understanding. So therefore I need to use 258 units to get all that reading units. Digits are different. Understanding, everyone? If I give you options, surely you can able to do. Without option, you need to understand the concept. Concept here is how many units you need to use in order to get the minimum. That's it. Shall I move to the next? Okay.
So a small doubt. Sorry. அங்கே 8, 9 திருப்பியும் ரிப்பீட் ஆகல சார். இஸ் தட் ஃபைன்? நம்ம ஆட் பண்ணோம்னா அந்த 8, 9 திருப்பியும் கீழ ரிப்பீட் ஆகல சார்.
பரவாயில்லையே. All the digits are differs or not here. 8, 9, 7, 0, 1. Again 8, 9, 9 வரக்கூடாது. 8, 8 வரக்கூடாது. 7 again repeat ஆகக்கூடாது. 0 again repeat ஆகக்கூடாது. 1 again repeat ஆகக்கூடாது. 2 again repeat ஆகக்கூடாது. புரிஞ்சுச்சா?
ஓகே, நான் என்ன நினைச்சேன்னா क्वेश्चन இருக்க அதே டிஜிட்ஸ் வந்து திருப்பி ஆன்சர் ஆப்ஷன்லயும் ரிப்பீட் ஆகும்.
No. All the unit must be different. Understood? Read the question. Where all the digits are different. All the digits are different. Okay, then how many units we have to use? That is the case here. Shall I move to the next?
Sir, சார் இது வந்துட்டு क्वेश्चनல இப்போ சப்போஸ் கேட்டிருந்தாங்கன்னா ஆப்ஷன்ஸ் வச்சு போட்டு எது வந்து மினிமம் நம்பர் வந்துட்டு ஆப்ஷன் ரிப்பீட் ஆகாம இருக்கோ அது கரெக்ட்டா இருக்கும்.
So let us do that option technique here. So if I am using option technique, what will happen here? 1 year, 9 year. Understood?
Sir.
9. Okay. So what happens here? 7. So now 12.
First option அப்பவே எலிமினேட் ஆயிரும் 9 வரப்போ. ஏனா ரெண்டுமே ரிப்பீட் ஆகும்.
No. You have to check fully.
Okay sir.
You have to check fully.
Okay sir.
Okay.
Yes sir.
Because suppose some carry or there means
suppose 6 means 4 if it is comes
9 may change to 0 also, right?
Yes sir.
So therefore some carry. So therefore finally you have to check with all the things here. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. See, option plays a vital role. That's it. Why you took 3 numbers, why you took 2 numbers, these things and all not required here. According to the options you have to work on. Minimum number is 258 only gives you. 258 such a readings you have to use. Then only you will be getting all are difference. You can say anything. You can tell me any other 3 digit or 2 digit or single digit. Let me work on. Ankit, you tell me. I'll give you time. Tell me any 2 digit or 3 digit, whatever the number you want, you say. Sir, time is running here. 123 you want. Okay. 123 you want. 7, 7, 8, 6, 9, 8. Repeat. Understood? Minimum here is 258. Here in this question. You can say any also. No problem. Check yourself. Minimum unit required here is this one. So how I am doing here without option means that only I was conveying here. How you are going to use your. Suppose among this 9 numbers, if you are using any such number, check with the this place. Check with the this place means unit place, 10th place, 100 place, 1000 place. So like that 89 series is going to be the smallest. Understood? 89 series is going to be the smallest. You should not go with 90 series. 89 series only you have to check here. So that is the first case you need to understand here. Next case, after 896, if you are using the 6 series itself, what will happen? So that also you have to check. If you are keeping 6 series, if you are using one reading, 5 will be there. If you are using 2, then 6 will be there, repeated. So if you are using 3, what will happen? 7 will be there. Understanding? If you are using 4, 8 is there. If you are using 5, then what will happen? So like that you have to check. Places plays a vital role. So therefore you need to move the, listen carefully, you have to move the 1000 place. And then I am using all or least here. Among these digits, all or least here means 0, 1, 2. That's it. That is the very smallest. Understood? That is the very smallest. 0, 1, 2 is the very smallest. Understanding? After moving the 1000 places just by 1, I am keeping another next 3 least here. 0, 1, 2 is the very least. Shall I move to next? Morgan, understood?
Sir?
Yes, sir.
Sir, 398 and C option.
C option satisfies,
Yes, sir.
Very good. Which is the minimum here? 258 or 398?
Sir, but how many more are minimum number than?
Sir, how many? Yes, minimum means what? 258 or 398?
Yes, sir. That's புரியுது sir. But how many more are minimum number இருக்கு? அதான் confuse ஆயிடுச்சு.
Fine. More means what? That is nothing but a minimum. To get that one. Understood?
Oh, okay, sir.
Okay. You want me to delete that more here?
Yes, sir. Because the two are contradicting each
Question
other.
may be, listen carefully. Question may be more also. That is implicit. Okay. That is why I placed more is also possible in a question. The word more is also possible. How many more? That's it. How many more? How many means what? Minimum. Okay. How many more? Shall I move to the next? Because you need to, you should not read that word alone. You need to use complete question here. How many more number of units of electricity will I need to use before all the digits are again different? Again different means what? Surely minimum. Or else you can keep a question like this. How many minimum numbers? Next year. Now this is also very important and a very knowledgeable question. So you can apply your skills here, and surely you will get a more knowledge on this question. Try this question and answer. Dinesh, write down some numbers according to the following rules. Starting with the number 1, he doubles the number and adds 4. So the second number, he write it, here it is 6. Now he repeat this process, starting with the last number written, doubling, then adding 4. But it doesn't write the 100 digit if the number is bigger than 100. What is the 2022 means 2022nd number that Dinesh write down? Very good question. Keep your paper and pen and work on. My classes, you need to keep some paper and work on to get knowledge. Basic question. Identify some large and then easily you can able to answer. Shall I? Are you guys trying? No idea. Looks difficult. Yes, question simple. Very simple. Understanding that question are very important. Simple. Starting with the first number 1. He doubles the number and adds the 4. So double the number means what? 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 4. So next number becomes 6 here. So he repeat the process. Right? He repeat the process. So therefore, please understand your first number, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, second, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, etc. etc. So now apply your, what is the first number? First number here is 1 only. Okay. Then what is the second here? 6. What is the third here? 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 4, 16. Now next year. 16 plus 16, 32. Plus 4, 36. Next year, 76. Next year, 156. Now try to understand. When it is 156, which means that, understand the question, but it doesn't write the 100 digit if the number is bigger than 100. So 100 digit alone eliminate. So what is the number? 56. Now write the next one. 156, no, 156 into 2. 156 into 2 plus 4. So what is that number? 316. So therefore you have to write 16 alone. Or else, listen very carefully. Listen very carefully. Don't do that 316 like that. Avoid that. Avoid that 156 into 2. So simple manner. 56 into 2. Okay, that is better. 56 into 2 becomes what? 112. 112 plus 4 becomes 116. Take the 16 alone. Simple. Next, again 36 now. 76. 56. Because this is a 156. So then here 16. 36. Following the sum pattern. Yes, now you understood the logic. Now pattern follows here. So we have to find 202, right? So now 2000 is the 4 multiple. 2000 is a 4 multiple. Or else 2020 also a 4 multiple. What is the 4 multiple? 4 multiple carries a 36. Right? 4 multiple carries the 36. Therefore 2021. What would be? Double this one and write here 76. What is this one? Obviously it follows some pattern. 76. Next one here going to be the 56. Answer is 56. Now understood the logic behind this one. How to solve? Guys, understanding? Understood. Fine. Permanent understanding. Of course, you need to work on this kind of question. Very simple. It's a number system, basic numbers only. With the basic numbers, you have to work on this. Fine. Good question. Yes. Simple question. Easily answerable. 5 cards with the digit 1, 2, 2, 3, 4 and 9 are arranged to form the largest distinct possible 5-digit even number. Distinct possible. Which digit is in the 10th place? Which digit is in the 10th place? Tenth place. Good. What are the things you need to understand in the question? Distinct, even number. That's it. So distinct means what? 1, 2, 2, 3, 4. 2 repeat. Leave it. 9. So therefore, largest means what? Start with the larger number. Move on to the next larger. Move on to the next larger. If you are moving in this pattern, then this is a odd, right? But the question here is even number. That only you need to understand. In every situation, you should not do that one. So answer here is 1. Understood? Shall I move to? Not 2, 2, 2 and 2. You should not repeat that. You should not repeat that. Digits are different, distinct possible. Okay. Next. Yes. Try this question now. Last class also I taught you this model. Here also I am teaching you. I will give you a lot of time. You try this question, must answerable. I'll give you time also, no problem. See, in my class I'll give you time. for you guys to work on. Then only you can able to understand yourself whether able to solve this kind of questions or not, etc. Even if you are getting a wrong answer, don't worry, but trying and attempting such a question during the class is very important. Keep some paper and pen and a notebook and work on. I'm giving you time. Six and eight. What is the answer when she multiplies her first two numbers, then add a third number? Sir, read the question carefully. Parmanand, read the question carefully. She arranges them to form three two-digit numbers. What will happen when three two-digit numbers are getting added? When they are getting added, whether you will be getting a single digit? No. That you have to check. Condition plays a vital role. Why you guys 396? Let us see. 606. So we are giving 606. Okay, shall I try? Okay, let me try. Okay, 16. 16 is not possible. Okay. Now you understood why I'm not giving options. Different answers. Okay, now listen, lot of logics are there to solve this question. Simple, right? You need a lot of things. Ananya has a 6 card with the digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. She arranges them to form 3 two-digit numbers. Okay, I am going to make a 3 two-digit number. 1, 2, 3. Only our second number is a multiple of 5. So this is a multiple of 5. Only our third number is a multiple of 6. Only our first number is a multiple of 4. What is the answer when she multiplies our first two numbers and then add our third number? Very good. Few are giving right answers, but let me tell you what was the right answer later on, because a lot of answers are there. Listen in your chat window. Fine, listen very carefully. Listen, multiple of 5 means surely 5 only present in the second number's unit place, nothing else present, so eliminate the 5. This is the first condition. Now what I am going to do here is I am going to check with the multiple of 4 and multiple of 6 among these numbers. Multiple of 4 are 12, 16, 24, 32, 36. Then 4 series, multiple of 4, nothing. Different, right? So therefore, no problem. Next, 56, 52 also here. Then 64 is also here. Yes. Multiple of 6 we'll see here. 12, 24, 36 possible, 42 possible, 54 possible, 66 no, not possible. Repetition. So eliminate this one. Now, listen very carefully. Logic's important. Only your second number is a multiple of 5. So now you can't place your that one. Leave it. Only your first number is a multiple of 4. Multiple of 4. Now, third number is a multiple of 6. So multiple of 6 here. Right? Multiple of 6. Whatever be the number repeating here, eliminate first that one. Here multiple of, if you are placing 12 in the 6 table means surely that will not be there in the 4 table because only 1 will be there. Okay, only 1, only our first number. So therefore 12 I am eliminating, 24 I am eliminating, 36 I am eliminating. Then these two cases possible. 5 also not possible because 5 already you placed here. So 2 only possible here. Okay, when you are placing 2 here, what will happen to this one? 2 should not be there here because all the digit you must start to use here. So 2 already used. So when 2 is there means you have to eliminate the 2 here. Right. I have eliminated 2 as well as 5 also not possible. As well as 5 also not possible. Right. Now, which is possible here? Which is possible? Now, try to understand. The only 6 table, nothing but a 42, which is not present in the multiple of 4. Yes. So therefore 42 must be here. So 4 also over. 4 over means that this can't be. 64 can't be. So only possible here is 16. So 16 possible here. So 1 also over, 6 also over. Then 3 possible here. Okay. Then what is the required answer? So required answer must be, read it carefully. What is the answer when she multiplies our first two numbers? So 16 into 35 and then add up with the third number plus 42. 560 plus 42, nothing but 602. Understood? Others? Anybody having doubt? No doubt, right? Okay, fine. Next, Riddhi, Varsha, understanding?
Yes, sir.